To say business is bad at the Karamna restaurant in downtown Beirut would be an understatement. This outdoor seating area has a capacity for over 200. A few years ago, it would be packed with tourists during the lunchtime rush. Now there are rarely ever more than a few customers here. Ali Abdul Wahid is the general manager of Karamna, which is part of a chain of restaurants. He used to oversee 4 locations around Beirut, but in the past year he has had to close 2 and lay off 190 staff, saying he's worried he'll likely have to let go of more.
The country is collapsing. Tourism, which we depend on, is missing due to the lack of security and due to tension between Lebanon and nearby countries. Our government seems unable to provide the guarantees needed for visitors to come to Lebanon.
Tourism is one of Lebanon's most important sectors. In 2010, visitors pumped in around $8.4 billion to the local economy. Now it takes in around $3.8 billion, a loss of nearly 2/3. Many blame the war in neighboring Syria, political deadlock, and crumbling facilities for the decline. Lebanon's central bank is making efforts to try to shore up the economy and boost liquidity, including keeping foreign currency reserves at around $40 billion, which is a record high. Still, the global credit ratings agency Standards & Poor's has recently revised its outlook for Lebanon from stable to negative, further affecting investor confidence. Many of Lebanon's tourists come from Gulf countries who also invest heavily in businesses here. But recent tensions with Saudi Arabia, its largest trading partner, has hurt the economy. Earlier this year, the kingdom warned its citizens not to visit Lebanon. It's also weighing plans to cancel more than $20 billion worth of projects over the rising influence of the Lebanese-based group Hezbollah.
In 2016, Lebanon has witnessed the hardest economic year ever. Lebanon's economy depends on Gulf countries. If there isn't a good relationship with Gulf countries, there won't be a good economy. No one can deny that because the data can't be denied.
Financial analysts say until Lebanon is able to solve its many domestic issues and regional problems, its economy will continue to decline. Something that worries Ali Abdul Wahid, who fears he too will be out of a job if nothing changes. Imtiaz Tyab, Al Jazeera, Beirut.